don't know where your friends are, but they ought to be here at the Hiller Aviation Museum for Vertical Challenge 2012. That first one was for me, and all the rest is for you.
Beautiful.
That's a pirouette. How nice is that? This is all backwards. All that beautiful sparkle is coming from the front of the helicopter.
Good
For those of you too young to drink beer,
good whistling, my dear.
Excited over this. Sweet cakes, cupcakes, 2 for $1. You can't drink, eat a cupcake. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here's Otto's finale right now. I hope you got cameras out. You know, this will come out fine on your smartphones.
Whoa, look. Beautiful.
It looks like a rainbow slide.
I want to be in there. How many people want to go with me for a ride with Otto?
Bless you.
How many?
Me.
Don't forget, you can have to fly with Otto because he's very shy, but there's helicopter rides tomorrow, right down that way. Ask me, I'll tell you how to get there. Ladies and gentlemen,